Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, understanding the complex world of permits and regulations in the property renovation process is crucial for a smooth and lawful renovation journey. Navigate these often misunderstood waters with your real estate sensei and set your project on the path to success. Understanding the importance of permits. Permits are much more than just bureaucratic formalities. They are your safeguard. They ensure your renovations are safe, legal, and up to standard. Overlooking them can lead to severe fines, legal troubles, and in extreme cases, the demolition of your hard work. These documents are essential for protecting your investment and ensuring everything is up to code. Depending on your project, permits can range from simple electrical work to major structural overhauls. Let's explore how you can determine which permits you need. Identifying required permits. Different projects require different permits, and these can vary widely by location. Your first step is to connect with your local building department. Their websites or offices are treasure troves of information, providing guidelines based on your project's specifics. Effective communication is crucial. Don't hesitate to ask questions. Ensure clarity about your project to get accurate guidance. Working with a contractor? It's vital they're well-versed in local regulations. The permit application process. When you're ready to apply for a permit, the process typically involves submitting detailed project plans and paying a fee. Be prepared for a review period, which can vary in length. This phase is about ensuring your plans align with local codes and regulations. Large projects might need several permits. Think structural, electrical, and plumbing. And remember, patience is key during this phase. Once your permits are approved, display them as required on your construction site. Inspections and compliance. After securing your permits, inspections are the next big step. These are conducted to ensure that your project adheres to the approved plans and local building codes. Inspections can be required at different stages depending on the nature of your project. Compliance is non-negotiable. Address any issues raised during inspections promptly and effectively. It's not just about passing an inspection, it's about the integrity and safety of your investment. Navigating changes and amendments. Renovation is full of surprises. If you need to make changes that deviate from your original plan, you'll likely need to amend your permits. This process can be as rigorous as the initial application, so keep your plans as consistent as possible. Stay proactive in communicating with your local building department and make sure any amendments are fully approved before proceeding. This step is crucial to avoid any legal or regulatory hiccups. That's your comprehensive walkthrough of navigating permits and regulations for property renovations. With this knowledge, you're equipped with the basics to keep your renovation legal, safe, and compliant. Found this guide helpful? Give us a like, subscribe for more insider tips, and share your permit experiences in the comments. Keep an eye out for our next episode, Maximizing Your Renovation ROI. Until then, here's to successful and compliant renovating.